It's finally fall, even though in Texas it feels like the middle of summer still. But today I put together fall outfit ideas. One fair warning is that this video does contain a lot of turtlenecks and mock necks, and I'm so sorry if that's not your thing. Honestly, by the end of the video, you're just going to be like, oh, why is this video not just called how to style a turtleneck for the fall? But without further ado, I'm going to go to the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And of course, it's the turtleneck. So I paired this gray turtleneck here with some high-waisted dark blue skinnies, and to top it off, I paired it with this brown cardigan along with some matching brown booties. Then instead of that brown sweater, I went ahead and exchanged it to this tan teddy coat to keep me super warm or hot because Texas barely gets cold. Teddy coats really are an essential if you live anywhere that gets really cold because they deflect wind so well. This next outfit is super cute for date night, so I paired this white turtleneck with a blue knitted skirt, and I wore knee-high black boots, and to match, a black belt. And if this outfit is not yet warm enough, I suggest pairing this with some fishnets or pantyhose to keep some uncovered areas covered. This next outfit is quite casual. I have on a white fuzzy sweater, and I'm not sure why my belly button ring is hanging from it, but I paired it with this comfortable black leggings, and to match with the white sweater, I have on some long knitted white socks and black leather boots. And here I'm about to go a little crazy on the knitted turtleneck. So I just pretty much recreated this outfit here with another turtleneck and another. I just love pairing knitted turtlenecks with high-waisted jeans, and that's honestly my go-to autumn style. And then all I do is throw on some outerwear like cardigan, sweater, jacket, like this crop black jacket here, and that makes an outfit. And next I have on another white turtleneck paired with the same black leggings from earlier, but this time I have on some tan knee-high boots. I like to pair my outfits with knee-high boots to spice things up. And then to complete the look, I paired it with this long tan scarf to match with my knee-high boots, and I think it makes the outfit look more put together. And for the next outfit, I have on some very distressed high-waisted blue jeans, and I paired it with a normal black spaghetti strap shirt. And to top it off, I have on a green military jacket with black leather sleeves that I cuff, and I'm wearing just some laced up black booties. The next outfit here, I have on the same black distressed jeans from earlier. I accessorized with a black belt, and I paired it with a white knitted top. On top of that, I have on a red plaid button-up, and I'm just wearing some good old white Converse. Using the same outfit, I just traded in the red plaid top for this jean jacket. And for a final touch in colder weather, I went ahead and wore the plaid button-up under my jean jacket. This will serve as another layer of insulation against the cold. Moving on to the next outfit, and yes, I have ditched the turtleneck for this black long sleeve top with a V-cut neck. I paired it with this plaid skirt with two slits on the side, and to top it off, I have on this long light pink cardigan that I matched with light pink booties. And I also wore some tan socks that I pulled over the booties. And the final outfit in this video, I have on an olive green tight knitted dress paired with the same tan knee-high boots from earlier. And to keep things a little warmer, I matched it with this very big tan cardigan. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.